Hi, my name is Paola, and I will talk to you about the first chapter in the book, The Science of Biology. First, we have to know what is science. Science is an organized way of gathering and analyzing evidence about the natural world. The goals of science are to provide natural explanations for events in the natural world, and use those explanations to understand patterns in the nature and then make predictions. The scientific method involves observing and asking questions, inferring and hypothesizing, designing controlled experiments, collecting and analyzing data, drawing conclusions. The scientific attitudes that help generate new ideas are curiosity, looks at something and immediately asks a question. Skepticism, questions new ideas and refuses to accept explanations without evidence. Open-mindedness means that they are willing to accept different ideas. Creativity, they need to think creatively to design new experiments. The role of technology in science means that discoveries may lead to new technological advances that will help us in our daily life. Peer review are scientific papers reviewed by anonymous independent experts. It allows researchers to share ideas and evaluate each other's work. A scientific theory is a well-tested explanation that unifies a broad range of observations and hypotheses, which enables scientists to make accurate predictions. Science and society. In science, ethics and morality happens. For example, when biologists try to explain how life operates and changes, but it cannot explain why it happens or its meaning. A bias is a preference or point of view more personal rather than specific, so sometimes data can be misapplied by scientists with personal biases. Characteristics of all living things. Living things are based on a universal genetic code, DNA. Living things grow and develop. Living things reproduce. There are two types of reproduction: sexual reproduction, which involves two cells, and asexual reproduction, which is only a single cell. Living things maintain a stable internal environment called homeostasis. Living things obtain and use material and energy called metabolism. Living things are made up of cells. Living things evolve. So this has been chapter 1. Hope you learned something. Bye!